English A2. Talking about your phone. Lesson by BabelBoosters YouTube channel.
My phone is acting strange today.
Oh, what is wrong with it?
The screen freezes a lot.
That is annoying. Does it happen often?
Yes, almost every hour.
Maybe it needs a restart.
I already did that twice.
Then the battery may be bad.
The battery dies very fast now.
How old is your phone?
It is about 3 years old.
That is not too old.
Still, it feels very slow.
Do you keep many apps on it?
Yes, too many, I think.
That can make it slow.
I know, but I use them all.
Which app do you use most?
Probably the message app.
Same here. I use it every day.
I also check maps a lot.
Maps is useful when I travel.
My phone helps me every day.
Mine too. I would feel lost without it.
I hate when the signal is weak.
Yes, that is the worst part.
Calls break up and sound bad.
And messages arrive late sometimes.
Do you use a phone case?
Yes, a blue one. You?
I have a black case.
Third, a case can save the phone.
Mine already has 2 small cracks.
Oh no. Did you drop it?
Yes, once on the street.
That hurts. I dropped mine in water once.
Really? Did it survive?
Barely. I turned it off fast.
Lucky you. Mine would not survive.
Do you use a screen lock?
Yes, a simple code.
Smart. I used a fingerprint.
That sounds easier.
It is until my hands are wet.
Then it fails, right?
Exactly. Nothing works when I need it most.
I keep forgetting my charger.
That is a real phone problem.
I left it at work yesterday.
So your battery died at home?
Yes, right before dinner.
That must have been frustrating.
Very. I could not call anyone.
I feel nervous when my phone is off.
Me too. It feels too quiet.
Do you sleep with your phone near you?
Yes, on the table beside my bed.
I do that too.
I know it is a bad habit.
Maybe, but many people do it.
I check it too often at night.
Damn. One message turns into 10 minutes.
That is exactly what happens to me.
Do you use your phone in the morning first?
Yes, before I even get up.
Wow, I do the same.
It feels like the day starts there.
Sometimes I wish it did not.
Why?
Because I see too many things at once.
News, messages, and ads.
Yes, and then I feel tired.
I understand. It can be too much.
Do you get many spam calls?
Too many. I never answer unknown numbers.
Good idea. I do the same.
One time I answered by mistake.
What happened?
A man tried to sell me a phone plan.
Of course he did.
I said no and hung up fast.
That was polite enough.
Not really. I was in a bad mood.
Phones can make moods worse.
Yes, especially when they do not work.
Or when they work too well.
What do you mean?
They steal our time.
That is true.
I open one app and lose 20 minutes.
I do that with videos.
Same. Just one short video.
Then suddenly it is late.
And I have done nothing useful.
Do you turn off notifications?
Some, yes. Not all.
I should do that more.
It helps a little.
But I worry I will miss something.
Like what?
A call from my family, maybe.
That makes sense.
My phone is how they reach me.
Then you need it on.
Exactly. It is hard to balance.
Everything about phones is a balance.
Battery time and attention.
And money too. New phones cost a lot.
Yes, too much for me.
Mine was a gift.
That is nice.
But I still worry when it gets old.
Because then you need a new one.
Yes, and I hate choosing.
There are too many models.
And everyone says their phone is best.
My friend talks about cameras all the time.
Do you care about the camera?
A little. I take family photos.
Then it matters.
But I do not need a perfect camera.
Same. I only want clear pictures.
And a battery that lasts.
That is my first rule too.
What about storage?
Always full. I delete old photos.
I never delete enough.
Then your phone gets crowded.
Yes, like a small room.
That is a good picture.
Sometimes I feel my phone knows me too well.
Because it remembers everything.
Yes, photos, chats, and places.
That is a little scary.
A little, yes.
But also useful.
Sure. It saves my life many times.
Like when?
When I forget addresses.
Or when you need a map fast.
Exactly. I would be late without it.
My phone also wakes me up.
With an alarm?
Yes, every weekday.
Mine too.
Do you ever snooze it too much?
Always.
Me too. Then I rush.
Phones can make us lazy.
Or very busy.
That is strange but true.
Do you talk on the phone much?
Not as much as before.
I prefer messages now.
Me too. Calls feel too long.
And sometimes awkward.
Yes, especially with people I do not know well.
Texting gives more time to think.
And less pressure.
But you can sound cold by mistake.
That happens to me a lot.
Me too. One short text can sound rude.
Then I add a smiley.
I do that as well.
Maybe too much.
A little. But it helps.
Do you use voice messages?
Sometimes when I am busy.
I like them from close friends.
Yes, they feel more personal.
But I do not like long ones.
Same. I stop listening halfway.
That is honest.
I know. It is a bad habit.
What is the first app you open?
Usually messages. You.
Weather, then messages.
You check weather every day.
Yes, I like to know the day.
That is practical.
If it rains, I bring an umbrella.
Smart. I always forget mine.
Then you get wet.
Exactly. And I complain all day.
Do you use your phone for music?
All the time.
I use it on the bus.
Music makes travel easier.
Yes, it blocks noise.
And bad moods sometimes.
What music do you play?
Mostly come songs.
I listen to older songs.
That is nice. They feel safe.
Safe is a good word.
What do you mean?
Some songs feel like home.
I like that.
My phone has many of those songs.
Then it is more than a tool.
Yes, it is part of my day.
And part of your habits.
Sometimes too much pot.
You sound worried about it.
Hold it all. I do not want to depend on it.
But we already do.
That is the problem.
Maybe we just need better limits.
Like less screen time.
Yes, and more real time.
That sounds good.
Hard, but good.
Do you think phones make people less social?
Sometimes, yes.
I see people staring at screens together.
I know. It looks strange.
We sit near each other, but talk less.
That is the part I do not like.
Me neither.
Still, phones help us stay close, too.
Yes, with family and friends far away.
So they are good and bad.
Like many things.
Exactly.
Would you buy a new phone now?
Only if this one breaks.
Same. I want to wait.
Maybe the next one will be better.
Or maybe just more expensive.
That is very possible.
Then I will keep this old one.
As long as it still works.
For now, it is trying.
That is a funny way to say it.
It is not giving up yet.
I hope it survives a bit longer.
Me too. I am not ready for a new one.
If you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out the rest of our channel. We have over 1,000 videos waiting for you. And if you want to stay updated, consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps us keep making content like this.